Hello! Today I have a new recipe for you. It's called the ultimate ubi cake. So let's start. For our ingredients, we have here 2½ cake flour. We have a cup of coconut milk. We have 1/2 cup of regular sugar, 1/2 cup of oil. Then I have a teaspoon of baking powder. And since this is an ubi cake, I have here an ubi powder, 1 tablespoon for each cup. So I have to put 2½ tablespoons powder. Then I have to mix. Next, I have to put 4 egg yolks. We have to separate the egg yolks from the egg whites. So I have 4 egg yolks, 1, 4. But we need 5 egg whites. So I have to add 1 more egg whites here and just discard the egg yolk. All right. Then mix it again. Look how thick it is. And our ubi doesn't have the purple color, so we will use a food coloring, the ubi color flavor. Let's use 1 teaspoon of the ubi color. And mix again. It's thick, right? It will just loosen up later. And here I have 5 egg whites. I have the 5 egg whites. To this, I have to add a pinch of cream of tartar. There you go. And also a cup of granulated sugar. Stiff. That's stiff. See? It won't go down. So that's the test. you put it upside down, it won't fall. It's the test. Next, we have to mix this well. Then we have to put this little by little to the egg whites. Oops. You have mixed this well already. So next, I have to put this in a pan. This tube pan. No grease, no parchment paper. You just have to pour it here. Then into the oven, 350 degrees for 30 to 45 minutes, or until the toothpick will come out clean. Okay, when we test it into the oven, let me clean up. Let's check our ubi cake in the oven. 45 minutes is up. Let's check. Come out clean. I love the crumbs, but it's fine now. So, and the test says it's done. I found one. This one. So put it in here and invert it. And let it cool. Let it cool for a bit. And then when it's cool, we can remove this from the pan and put it on a cake stand. Okay, while we are waiting for our cake to get cool, we will prepare our icing. The icing that I will be using today is the boiled icing. So I have here the ingredients. I have here 2 large egg whites, and then 2/3 of the water, and then 1.5 cups of sugar. This is 1/2 cup, so we'll make 1.5 cups. And then we have to let this boil in the stove until it reaches the soft ball stage, which is 240 degrees. So I have here the thermometer. Okay, we'll put it here. Meanwhile, I have to beat the egg whites. I have to put a little bit of the cream of tartar. Stiff. Let's test if this is stiff enough. If it's hard, it won't fall. See, it don't fall. 240. Then it's time to put the syrup in here. Very thinly and slow. Yes. Since this is ube, we'll put a little color. Make it beautiful. Yes. A little bit darker. Yes, this is good enough. Our cake has cooled down and we have to remove this from the pan. Yes, yes, perfect. Put it here. We'll invert it. Yes, man, beautiful. Next, we have to frost. Beautiful frosting. Let's try. Perfect. That. Look at that. You need to give this a try. This is so delicious. I can finish this. This is so good. Give this a try, y'all. And don't forget, keep watching. Whatever occasion.